Welcome back, guys, to Wolf Phone Repairs. This is Nate. Today we're repairing a Lenovo Ideapad Gaming 3 15IMHO5. As you see, I've already removed the bottom cover here. You have to remove all the screws on the bottom. Keep in mind these front ones are shorter than the middle and back ones. Don't confuse those. Then you just go around with your pry tool like this, gently popping off the plastic clips and remove the bottom cover. As always, we're going to disconnect the battery. So you can just use any kind of pry tool and gently pop the battery out. Make sure that's not connected. Okay, once the battery is removed, flip it over. And we're going to gently pry off the front bezel. It comes out. And this looks like we're going to remove these 4 screws. 4 Phillips screws that hold this to the frame. I guess we're going to remove the pop off the little LCD back up here. From the look of it, all right. I'm sure using some heat. Make sure. See how that goes. Oh. Okay. Once that up, oh, look at that. There are pull tabs here, but they seem to have been behind the LCD. I'm not sure how I was supposed to access those. Either way, it's off. And you can go ahead and pop open the latch, remove the connector. Now that you have these handy dandy pull tabs, you can see this is what it's supposed to happen. And this adhesive comes off quite easily when it's done this way. So if you can access those pull tabs, I highly recommend it.
So we'll have to do it by hand, beads or whatever. Gently press on the LCD. Place. Looks good. Okay, I'm gonna replace all this. Alright, just found that screw. As I was saying, we're gonna replace all these screws. You may not have to take out the bottom screws here, although I think it did give me a little more leeway trying to remove the adhesive, as I couldn't find the tabs for hiding. Okay, once those are all replaced, we get the bezel back on. This can be tricky. Comes out of that. That is actually a better way to pop the whole thing out completely. Easier to get this bezel back on. Snap back on. Remember to take off any screen covers, actually. Start snapping this back in place. Right, once that's on, I can put this bezel back on. Oh yeah, sorry, the hinge cover.
Bottom cover back on. And that's it. Make sure obviously the battery's connected. Snap bottom cover in, screw it in, and that's it. All right.